Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, we learned how to change, add and remove elements, and in this video, we are going to see how to use if and else conditions. In this chapter, we will learn to write conditional tests which allow you to check any conditions of interest. We will learn to write simple if statements, and we will learn how to create a more complex series of if statements to identify when the exact condition you want are present. We will then apply this concept to lists, so you will be able to write a for loop that handle most item in a list one way but handle certain items with specific value in a different way. Then we will try to understand by a simple example. As you can see, I have created a file name if else.py. Now we will write a simple program using if and else conditions. First, I am creating a variable named cars and I am putting here some name of the cars. For example, I am putting here Ferrari, then Bugatti, then not like this, then you can take Supra. That's it. Now I will call my if the variable to print. Now I want my variable to print. Let's see if it's working. As you can see, it is working. Now we will use if statement. So I have created a variable here. Now I will choose if. First I will take input from the user. So I am taking input, so I am writing here, I am creating a new variable user equals to int, because I want to take the input in integer, not in string. And now I am writing here, please select one of the following car. This. So now I am going to write a if statement. If user equals to 1, if this user is equals to 1, then it will print this statement. You have a very good choice. You have a very good. No, leave this. You have a very good. We are going to write it is a good car. That's it. Now we will see else. If user is not using 1, then we will see elif user equals to 2, then print it is a good car. Anything user is putting, we will say it is a good car. And again the same thing but with a different number like 3 here. Then again print it is a good car. Now we will, if user is entering number 4, that is not in here, and I have not put in the elif command also. So if user is putting number 4, then we will see else this print invalid input, try again. That's it. This is our program. Now if I run it, then it will ask me it will show me the name of the cars, as you can see here I have wrote. Then it will ask me to choose any car from 1 to 3. If I am choosing number 4, then it will show us invalid input, try again. Yes, it is working fluently from here till here. Now I am putting 1, it's working. If I am putting 2, it is showing the thing. And if I am putting 3, then it is working fine till here. Now if I am putting 4, then it will show this. It should show this. If I am putting 4, oh not here, sorry, here 4, as you can see it is saying invalid input. Let me clear this and show you again. If I am putting 4, yes, it is showing invalid input, as you can see. So it is working fully functionally, and this is how you can use if and else commands. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.